Howdy, folks. We are live at 147, and we are running another one of Spencer. Spencer's a busy bee this morning. For Spencer's Endor Blaster, we got 10 spots that we are going to copy and take over to random to find us a winner. 1 through 10, going to roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. We got a 10. So we're good to go. Good luck, everybody. Scott, round 1. And round 2. Gary, round 3. Scott, round 4. Kenneth, round 5. Andrew, round 6. Gary, round 7. Marcus, round 8. Scott Singer, round 9. And our winner is Scott Singer at number 3. Congrats, Scott. Here's the verification and official results. DEXNEQ. Scott Singer, number 3, is the champ of the Endor Blaster by Spencer. Which means I'm done at 148. There she is. Again, here's the official results and our winner, Scott in at number 3. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks.